After this mass shooting, different questions may start to spark. Some parents may wonder, how can they talk to their children about what they're seeing on the news? And are there warning signs that they may see? And also, how much does mental health have an impact on this?
We have to provide mental health services.
Is what many are pushing for after another mass shooting.
Florida has got to invest in mental health, which is something they have no desire to do and never have.
According to a report from Mental Health of America, Florida is currently ranked 48th nationwide on access to mental health care, with nearly 650,000 adults in the Sunshine State with mental illness and a little over 100,000 of youth suffering from depression not gaining needed treatment.
We need to really break the stigma about getting help for mental health. And if we can do that, then we maybe can help provide the support that some of these children need.
Amy Stein is the Director of Partnership and Clinical Services with the Valerie's House, a nonprofit that supplies support in mental health services to families who have lost a loved one. Some may say mental health services could have helped prevent the tragedies like the one that happened in Texas that left 21 people dead in a community in mourning. In such tragedy, parents may struggle to find out how to speak to their children. Amy says it's still important to speak with your child.
We have to be mindful of those conversations and what we're allowing us to share in the details. It doesn't need to be graphic.
When it comes to online, monitor what they are reading and seeing. And most importantly, ask about how they feel about what's going on.
They are unfortunately hearing information, and we want to make sure that the information that they hear and understand is correct.
Amy adds age is a key factor when determining how much information you should share.
There are people here to help them.
And for more tips, visit this story on Fox4Now.com. Brianna Brownlee, Fox 4.